Thursday's Amber Alert ended when the missing 15-year-old was found in a car with an adult during a traffic stop on Interstate 95.
When we were able to locate her safely along I-95 South last night, we did take her to an area hospital for an evaluation, and that's only because of the situation that unfolded. We don't know where she may have been, so we wanted to make sure she's okay.
The adult in the car, 28-year-old Henrico Williams, turns out to be the teenager's sister. Friday morning, Williams, wearing a blue jail jumpsuit, appeared on camera before juvenile court judge Margaret Declaw just after 11 a.m. The judge read the 4 charges Williams is currently facing, 3 misdemeanors, contributing to the delinquency of a minor, obstruction of justice, and accessory after the fact to abduction. And Williams is charged with 1 felony, abduction of a minor. Tyrell Davenport, the victim's 23-year-old half-brother, was named as the abductor in the Amber Alert, but his whereabouts are still unknown.
We continue to use as many resources as possible to try and locate him and apprehend him as quickly as possible.
Details about why the young teen was abducted are still not known. Henrico Williams will remain behind bars without bond, the judge telling her the magistrate indicated in his report bail should be denied. Court documents obtained by CBS 6 read, information has been provided by law enforcement that indicates that the defendant worked with other family members to kidnap her sister and had left the state. Defendant did not appear to fully understand the gravity of the situation and did not understand why she was being charged. Defendant poses a substantial risk to victim in this case. The JDR judge also told Williams she is to have no contact with the victim. Williams is due back in court April 19th for an attorney status. An online check of court databases shows Henrico Williams has a long list of past charges in both Henrico County and the city of Richmond courts. Henrico County police say they credit the public with sending in dozens of tips that help bring the teen home safely. Wayne Koval, CBS 6 News.